Step 1. Close gasoline on-off valve if available, or empty gas tank of gasoline. Step 2. Start engine and run until all gasoline is consumed from the carburetor. Step 3. Disconnect spark plugs. Step 4. Remove air filter cover, air filter, and air filter assembly in order to access the carburetor. Step 5. Remove engine cover. Step 6. Remove carburetor. Step 7. Remove intake assembly. Step 8. Replace studs in intake assembly with larger studs supplied with AltFuel stud kit. Step 9. Reassemble intake assembly. Step 10. Install carburetor back on studs, making sure throttle cable and gaskets are in place. Step 11. Make sure that the O-ring is in place on the carburetor flange. Step 12. Apply Teflon tape or pipe sealant to the threaded fitting on the end of the AltFuel fuel supply line. Carefully thread into 90-degree fitting on intake adapter. Step 13. Carefully thread provided orifice into the AltFuel intake adapter. Thread orifice in until non-threaded section of the orifice touches the surface of the intake adapter. Do not over-tighten. Step 14. Place AltFuel intake adapter with fuel supply line attached in front of the carburetor with orifice facing up. Step 15. Apply black silicone sealant to the surface of intake assembly, touching the intake adapter. Step 16. Reinstall air filter assembly, air filter, and air filter cover. Step 18. Step 17. Attach fuel supply line to regulator system below balancing point on handle or in desired position. Start and run. Adjust idle screw in to achieve higher idle RPM.